Welcome to Isol's Library! And today we'll be reading Princess Stories, Princess Harriet Hiccups by Igloo Books from Isol's Library. Let's start!
Princess Harriet could not stop hiccuping. She hiccuped while she ate her breakfast and spilled cereal everywhere. She hiccuped while she drank her orange juice and knocked it all over the royal butler. She even scared the palace cat away with a very loud hiccup.
Please help me get rid of my hiccups!
She begged the butler, who was wiping orange juice off his face.
Try holding your breath and hopping on one leg,
He suggested. Harriet wobbled around the room and her face went redder and redder until she had let out one enormous hiccup.
Well, that didn't work,
said Harriet, and she set off to see the king, who was watching TV in the palace living room.
Put your socks on your hands and do a handstand.
He said when she asked him what to do.
It always works for me.
Harriet did as her father said, but it made her hiccups worse. Next, Harriet went to find the queen, who was reading a book in the library. Getting rid of hiccups is easy, said the queen. Just balance a book on your head and walk backwards. Harriet picked up the nearest book and took a step back, but she almost trod on the cat's tail as she gave a loud hiccup.
Perhaps some fresh air will help,
thought Harriet, stepping out into the garden with a hiccup. The royal gardener heard Harriet hiccups and had an idea.
puff out your cheeks and jump like a monkey.
He said. So Harriet puffed out her cheeks and jumped around. Suddenly, Harriet spotted her reflection in one of the palace windows.
I look so silly,
she said and burst out laughing. Princess Harriet laughed and laughed when she finally stopped the hiccups had gone. At last, she had found out how to cure hiccups.
Next time I will just remember to laugh,
she said.
Thanks for watching
Isol's Library.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Bye-bye!